Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Easy summer box braids. You guys, please stay tuned and let me show you just how to get these done for the summer. Subscriber of the week goes to, and I thank you. Okay, sweethearts, my hair is washed, conditioned, and stretched. Just to let you know, all of my products are going to be listed in the description box below. Sweethearts, this is a rubber band method, so make sure you're soaking your rubber bands. Sweethearts, I did pre-part my hair. Make sure you're greasing as you're going, because if you twist or braid your hair up and then you start greasing as you go, you're going to mess the parts up. So please grease as you're going. Sweetheart, as you know, we are doing the front. Please do not do it too tight, because remember, we do want our edges. The tighter you do it, the more it's going to pull your hair slowly. It's going to pull it out slowly, so please be careful around your edges. And I am using magic fingers around my boxes, so please use the magic fingers. It works perfectly for braids, twists. It does wonders for your hair when you're trying to pull it, make your hair flat or make it really neat around your edges. So magic fingers is perfect for this. Okay, let me get to work and I'm gonna talk to you guys in a minute. Okay, sweethearts, I'll be using Spectra, the 6 times value pack today. You guys can get this hair anywhere, Amazon, from your local beauty supply store. Okay, you guys, each bundle, you can get 5 pieces out of each bundle. So that's what we're going to be doing to each bundle. Again, I am putting magic fingers on my natural hair just so that it'll blend in better and it'll help with the flyaways. This is another method on how to do box braids. You guys, please look carefully on how my fingers are grabbing each piece. As you can see, I am separating into 3 already, 3 pieces for my braid. So once I go ahead and grip it, I won't have to use my natural hair as the 3rd piece. There's already going to be hair attached to that. As you can see, if you can, since we have already put the magic fingers on our natural hair, try and hide your natural hair in with the synthetic hair. The whole point in braiding real tight is you want to make sure it's tight and uniform, making sure every piece is the same. So if you have to borrow hair from each piece to make every piece match as you're braiding down. Okay, again, my love, make sure you're using magic fingers again to make sure your hair is slick and that it'll help with flyaways if you are using this. Okay, you guys, I'm going to show you how to hide your natural hair, and with it, it's called tucking. So you're going to tuck your natural hair into the regular hair and just braid normally. So that is how you tuck your natural hair in with synthetic hair. Sweethearts, this is the last braid. I have a total of 25 braids, 10 in front and 15 in the back. Guess how long this only took? This only took me 3 hours. Boom! Make sure you're cutting all of the flyaways that you can see out, because guess what? We are about to dip our hair in hot water. Please be cautious. Please be careful. If there's someone around that can help you, please ask them. Just be careful. All right, this anti-itch scalp serum, you guys, please check it out. You do not want your hair to be itching with your brand new braids in or brand new twists. Please use this serum and it will help with itching. Another product that I love using is the Shine and Gem Mousse. You guys put that on your hair after braids or any other hairstyle that you want to set, or make sure the flyaways just go away, you know. But check this product out. It's listed in the description box below. This is a quick routine that I just do every night. Make sure you're tying your hair up in a bonnet or a scarf. All right, y'all know I have to use my instant control for my edges. I am not the best edger, but you know, this helps very well. So check this product out as well, my sweethearts. And these are the final results, my loves. Easy summer box braids. These braids are perfect for the summer. You could put them up. You can even get in the water with these braids. You guys, don't forget to like, comment, please share, and most definitely subscribe. I love you even if I don't know you. I'll see you guys next time.